1, 2, 3. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is another unboxing video, which is this package from my mom, and thank you mom for the package. So let's unbox this already. So I'm just using this cutter to cut it. So what do we have here? So my mom bought this stand for like phones, tablets. So I'm gonna put it first right there. And this USB extension. Am I right? An extension, yes. And my mom bought me this unicorn cup. Yes, it's a unicorn cup. It's really nice. It's really cute. So it has a unicorn inside, right there. I'm gonna put it right here first. And my mom bought me some pajamas. So I'm gonna test this pajamas out first. If it fits me. So wait. Hey guys, I'm back. So I tested it out and it's really nice, but it's kinda long. It's kinda long and it's kinda big for me. So they're the same size as the others. So this is really nice and cute. So thank you, Mom. I'm gonna put this right here first. So let's get into the next package. Hey guys, and I'm back. So here's the second package. So let's unbox this. It's really big. It's kind of hard to like open, so like I'm gonna right there. Oh, it's the unicorn jumpsuit. So I'm gonna try this first, so please wait. Hey guys, I'm back. So here's the unicorn jumpsuit, but it's so big. Yeah, like it's so long. Like see this? It's really big and it's so long, but I'm so short. It's so big. Like really, it's so big. I'm not joking. But let's get the other stuff. Let's get the other stuff. So we have a Lazada package. I don't know what this is, so I'm gonna get this first. Oh, it's a stuffed toy. Wow. It's so cute. Say hello. Hi. Lol. I'm gonna put this right next to me. Yes, right next to me. So next we have slippers. I'm gonna test this first. Put it on. It's really cute, guys. See? Can't even see. It's really cute. But this is so big. Why is this so big? On to the next package. Hey guys, I'm back. So this is the last package, which is my first ukulele. So let's see this. It's so cute. It's color red. It's really nice, and it has this bag right here which says Beachman Ukulele right there, as you can see. Here's the ukulele. So I already tuned it up. My mom already tuned it up. She already tuned it up, the man who sells the ukuleles. He already tuned it up, so I'm not gonna tune it. So here's the sound. So right there, it's really nice and it's really cute, and it's my favorite color too. So here's the end of the video. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video. Peace.